Hi Virgo, I hope you had a pleasant week. I would like to thank each one of you for supporting and showering your love on this channel. Means the world to me. Alright, this is your weekly reading from 16 to 22nd of August. For your reading, I'll be using the Everyday Tarot deck, Work Your Light Oracle deck, and the Romance Angels. Later, I'll pick two special messages the universe wants you to know from here, and in the end, I'll pick one song for you from the bowl. And that being said, let's get started. My dear Virgo, please keep in mind that this is a general reading and may not resonate with everyone, and I only decipher what my tarot wants me to convey to you, what you truly need to hear. Now, before seeing any of the messages, let's see what you truly need to hear for this week. We have the 9 of Pentacles, 10 of Pentacles, 5 of Pentacles, and the 3 of Wands. Now, in your recent past, you could be dealing with an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, could also be a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Now, this person here promised a lot of things to you. Maybe they told you that they want to settle down with you, have a long-term relationship with you, okay? They promised you a bright future ahead. They told you that they are always going to be with you, be there for you, but those were all empty promises, okay? They showed you a lot of interest in the beginning, but slowly it faded. Maybe they could have also ghosted you, and that left you cold, vulnerable, insecure. You felt so alone, lonely, because you had invested a lot of time, love, energy in this relationship. Okay, you thought it was special, but this person just left you out in the cold. And this could have happened during the winter season as well. But I feel that you have learned a great deal about life, about yourself, and about people in general. And I feel that you have created healthy boundaries now. Okay, you don't want to be taken for granted anymore. Now, what I see here is with the 3 of Wands. Now, this ex-lover of yours has been thinking about you, because I feel that you are no longer communicating to them, giving them any attention, okay? That's why their ego has been bruised. They don't know why you are not communicating to them, okay? Maybe they are very curious to know as to what you're doing, okay? There could have been this no contact period between you guys. I can see that, they always expected you to communicate, okay? They wanted you to chase them, but ever since they left you out in the cold, you decided to no longer communicate, okay? No longer to be taken for granted, and they seem to be very curious, okay? Now this person seems to be at a distance from you, could be a different city or a different country. They have been missing you, because I feel that this no contact period made them realize their mistakes, and they are hopeful that one day they will communicate to you and rekindle the romance, alright? And they are just waiting for the right moment to communicate to you, because they are very curious as to what's happening in your life, alright? And with the 9 of Pentacles, you are just focusing on yourself, focusing on your career, your pentacles. There's a lot of abundance, good luck, fortune surrounding you. Okay, you seem to be at a very secure, stable place. And in your immediate future, I can see that you are very happy, okay, very prosperous. There's a lot of abundance that's surrounding you. And a pet could be comforting you, okay, giving you a lot of joy. I can also see that you are just minding your business. You just want to focus on yourself, love yourself, and kudos to you for that. Alright? Now let me draw one card for you from the Romance Angels. It says, children. Your love life is being affected by children. One card for you from the Oracle deck. It says, the ever unfolding rose. Cracked open, it's happening for you, not to you. And finally, one song for you. It says, kill them with kindness. You will find the link to this song in the description box below. Hope you enjoyed the reading for this week. I'll be uploading a next week's reading soon. If you liked the session, please like, share and subscribe. I would love to hear from you in the comments below. See you soon. Until then, take care.